Welcome to Knott's Berry Farm here in Buena Park, California. I'm with Hangtime Mario.
What's up?
And Monique over here. So we're going to get on Ghost Rider, the CCI GCI of the park. Is it a CCI or GCI?
I consider it a CCI.
I think it's a GCI because they whatever. We'll see you when we get on. All right, so we just got off. Ghost Rider, and Gold Rush at Magic Mountain still better. Did you agree Gold Rusher is still better? The way it goes under Superman, ooh, that's great. You know, this ride is nothing compared to Gold Rusher. This ride is nothing compared to Green Lantern First Flight. Bring back Lantern. Right now, Mario's seeking help. Mario, are you getting help? We're now standing in the queue for Sierra Sidewinder, a ride I barely do.
Sierra Sidewinder. I'm pretty excited.
It's been a while. Actually, I did it last time. We'll see how this goes. Let's see when we get up. So we just got off Sierra Sidewinder.
It was good.
That one up in my ranking for this park. That's now number 5, and it passed up Pony Express for me. How do you feel about it?
I don't even know what to say. That was the smoothest ride I've gotten on it.
It was smooth. It was forceful. I grayed out on the helix facing downwards. Wow, the spinning was pretty good too.
I grayed out during that turn before the helix.
That was good. Okay, what did you think about it?
It was pretty good. So smooth.
It was smooth. It's better than Hang Time. No, I'm just kidding. Yo, we're going on the one, the only Dragon Swing. We're gonna get hella airtime.
Yeah.
Hella airtime. You know, unfortunately, it's only running one train ops today, which kind of sucks. I don't know why they're on 2 trains on this thing. What are you gonna do? I just did Wipeout for the first time, that little flat ride, and that thing is intense. That thing is super dizzying. I don't really want to do it again. I'm so glad I got to go on it. All right, you guys, so we just had lunch at Coaster's Diner, and now we did Sky Cabin. Back there, yeah. We're gonna go get some water so I can take my drugs for my head, so I don't have a headache.
And then we're getting more wet.
We're getting wet! We're getting wet, Calico River Rapids. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride on that. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. River Rapids time, ladies and gents. Here we go with Hangtime Mario and Money.
Oh no!
Oh god! Oh, my phone's screwed. Oh, no!
Oh my god, that is the guy scared.
No! No!
Oh god, I got soaked!
Oh!
Are you serious?
Mario! I don't like this! I don't like this! Why are we doing this? Why is this? Monique just got screwed! Alright, this is nice.
I'm already soaked!
I am too! I don't like this! I don't like this! Woo! I don't like this at all! Hell to the no! Hell to the no! Hell to the no! Hell to the no!
Oh crap, no!
Oh, it's Mario's turn!
No!
No. Oh no, it's my turn now.
Okay.
I want to die. I want to.
Holy shit.
I don't like this. Same. I have a headache. That was fun. Calico River Rapids, you guys. Hangtime Mario and Money. That was good.
We got a Zen ride also.
Zen ride. Yeah, look at this. Cool. All right, you guys, as you can see, I got a little bit of an upgrade from my regular eyes. I now have Taylor Bybee shades. They're real good. I'm still with Hangtime Mario. He's getting some footage of Bullet. Right there. Going to the brake run. We're gonna go eat at the best restaurant at Knott's, Boardwalk Barbecue. I'm also here with Antonio. Yeah. Some other guys too. So let's go. Let's go. Alrighty guys, that's going to do it for today at Knott's Berry Farm. That was really good. My next vlog is either going to be at SeaWorld San Diego or Six Flags Magic Mountain with this guy. Yeah! Don't know which will come first. Magic Mountain March, SeaWorld maybe before, not sure.
Magic Mountain, Magic Mountain.
Magic Mountain, I want to get my number 100 on West Coast Racers. That's what it's going to be. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, click like, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace out.